Today, I'm giving you a quick look at the desks we use here in the studio from FlexiSpot. I'm Sergio AM. Welcome to It Came From a Box. On our last setup episode, we featured FlexiSpot's awesome premium standing desks, and then they reached out wanting to sponsor a video so we can tell you about their desks along with their anniversary celebration discounts. Let's get into it. So we went with their E7 Pro premium standing desk. They have 8 tabletop options to choose from, each in different sizes. We have their Ergo series, Gaming series, which we featured last time, that has their custom surface, which works really well with a gaming mouse, one of our favorites. Then they have chipboard with drawers, bamboo with a wireless charger built in, solid wood, and we went with the solid wood texture and black walnut at their smallest 48 by 24 size, which works really well in our space, but it's also available in 55 by 28 and 60 by 30. Speaking of which, you can also choose from 3 frame colors. There's gray, white, but I'm sticking to black. The E7 Pro legs can go from 25 inches all the way up to 50.6 inches, so a little bit above 4 feet, which should be more than enough for most people, and it can hold up to 440 pounds. So bring on the massive, chunky, ultra-wide monitors. It also comes with their premier keypad controller. This is the default and way better than most of the basic ones that I've come across. So let's put it together. First, we have our tabletop, which is really well packaged, lots of padding, and it arrived in perfect condition. We'll come back to this in a bit. Next, the legs are very heavy, so it helps to have someone to help.
But not me, because I'm a lone wolf in here. I do things by myself.
Which is a terrible idea for your back. In the box, we have the legs, feet, all steel by the way, and the parts for the bracket, which has all the electronics built in, and it connects everything together to the tabletop. But first, you of course gotta put it together. Their instructions are really easy to understand, very straightforward, so stick to it, and it comes with everything you need except for a drill to help speed things up. First, you wanna put the bracket together. It's meant to work with various sized tables, so you're gonna want to place it on top of the table, make sure it's correctly oriented, then expand it until it aligns with all the pre-drilled holes, and lock that position in by tightening the screws down the middle and screw it onto the table. Once that's done, the legs fall right into place with a perfect fit and you drill them right in. Next, the feet are just as easy to install. They fall right into place as well. And then you'll want to attach the included adjustable feet. It's like feet on feet. After that, you want to connect your controller to either the left or right of the table. It lines right up with these holes, and you can slide it towards the front or back and drill it right in. Now you want to connect all the cables. They're all labeled, which makes it a breeze, very simple, and don't worry about cable management with these because it comes with a magnetic hard shell flap, which keeps it all nice and tidy. Finally, before you flip it, you're going to want to install all the accessories that go under here. They have a huge variety to choose from, ranging from monitor arms, both single and dual, that include cable covers to keep those clean and organized. They're very easy to adjust as well. Then we have these under-desk storage drawers, which are really useful to help keep your desk clear. Great for all those miscellaneous things like sauces and whatever else you may want to put in there. And they even have a little tiny hammock for your feet. Sounds weird at first, but my wife loves this thing. Now, the ones I'd always recommend are their locking wheels or casters. They replace the adjustable feet and screw right into this M8 by 15 millimeter threading, so feel free to use your own if you'd like. And these are crucial for me in the studio, so I can easily move this entire desk once it's all set up, which is very, very heavy. And you'll also want a cable management tray, which this one does come with one, but they also sell it separately for those who go with another model or want a different size. Finally, the E7 Pro also includes a roll of Velcro and these plastic cable clips to help keep those wires under control. Back to the desk. The solid wood textured tabletop looks pretty good. It's got this glossy coating that's very smooth, and I love the look of this black walnut grain. The only thing missing would be rounded corners, but that's not a deal breaker. Like I said, I went with their smallest size, 48 by 24, because it works perfectly for our space here, but they do have those 2 other larger sizes if that's what you need. Now, as someone who's used to having just an up and down arrow, this controller is incredible for detailed, precise adjustments. It comes with 4 memory presets that you can customize on the fly. You just adjust the desk, press the M button, and assign it. There's 1 and 2, and you have 2 with a sitting and standing position. Love this little feature. This makes it super easy to go from a sitting to standing position. It's also very stable. My previous standing desk would wobble when adjusting, but this one, smooth as eggs. Look at this blue liquid I have here in this massive bottle. You see that? Much more stable than that cup of water from Jurassic Park. And then look at me here punching it with massive fists. It barely moves. On top of that, it can hold up to 440 pounds or over 7 clones of my tiny sun. That's a lot of suns. And that's thanks to their upgraded motor and these legs. They're made of automotive grade steel with extended overlapping column pipes. They also have this semi-C leg design, which helps with that stability while giving you more leg space. So we've been using their desks for the last few years now. They're easily one of the most used day-to-day pieces of gear in our setup here, and we're very humbled that they reached out to sponsor this episode. So if you're in the market for a new desk, chair, recliner, beds, pods, they even have appliances, check out FlexiSpot's anniversary celebration, where they have a ton of store-wide discounts. And remember that supporting them helps support us. Anyways, we'll have links to everything down in the description below. And once again, I'm Sergio IM. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you for the next box.
I don't want to go any higher.
If you like this video and want to help us out, click that thumbs up button and leave a comment below so we can talk. Now, if you want to go further, subscribe and ding the bell to stay notified whenever we post a new video. You made it to the end, and I just want you to know that you are the reason we do what we do. This is Sergio IM, and I'll see you for the next box.